What is this car? A. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. B. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. C. 1958 Plymouth Fury. D. 1956 Lincoln Premier. A. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. What is this car? A. 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. B. 1956 Cadillac Eldorado. C. 1959 Ford Galaxy. D. 1954 Buick Century. C. 1959 Ford Galaxy. What is this car? A. 1957 Chrysler Imperial. B. 1955 Pontiac Catalina. C. 1953 Studebaker Champion. D. 1958 Mercury Monterey. A. 1957 Chrysler Imperial. What is this car? A. 1954 Cadillac Fleetwood. B. 1955 Buick Century. C. 1953 Studebaker Champion. D. 1957 Lincoln Premier. C. 1953 Studebaker Champion. What is this car? A. 1956 Mercury Montclair. B. 1958 Dodge Royal. C. 1955 Pontiac Star Chief. D. 1957 Chevrolet 210. A. 1956 Mercury Montclair. What is this car? A. 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. B. 1957 Dodge Coronet. C. 1956 Buick Roadmaster. D. 1953 Cadillac Eldorado. B. 1957 Dodge Coronet. What is this car? A. 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. B. 1958 Ford Fairlane. C. 1954 Plymouth Plaza. D. 1957 Chrysler Saratoga. A. 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. What is this car? A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. B. 1953 Buick Roadmaster. C. 1957 Oldsmobile 88. D. 1955 Mercury Custom. B. 1953 Buick Roadmaster. What is this car? A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. B. 1954 Ford Crestline. C. 1955 Plymouth Belvedere. D. 1956 Dodge Custom Royal. A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. What is this car? A. 1956 Lincoln Capri. B. 1954 Plymouth Belvedere. C. 1958 Buick Century. D. 1955 Mercury Montclair. B. 1954 Plymouth Belvedere. What is this car? A. 1955 Ford Fairlane. B. 1957 Pontiac Bonneville. C. 1956 Chrysler Windsor. D. 1954 Oldsmobile 98. A. 1955 Ford Fairlane. What is this car? A. 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. B. 1955 Cadillac Eldorado. C. 1959 Ford Galaxy. D. 1953 Buick Skylark. B. 1955 Cadillac Eldorado. What is this car? A. 1953 Mercury Monterey. B. 1958 Pontiac Star Chief. C. 1957 Buick Special. D. 1955 Dodge Custom Royal. B. 1958 Pontiac Star Chief. What is this car? A. 1956 Chrysler Imperial. B. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. C. 1954 Plymouth Belvedere. D. 1953 Studebaker Champion. B. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. What is this car? A. 1958 Plymouth Fury. B. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. C. 1955 Buick Roadmaster. D. 1956 Cadillac Series 62. A. 1958 Plymouth Fury. What is this car? A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. B. 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. C. 1956 Lincoln Premier. D. 1955 Pontiac Star Chief. C. 1956 Lincoln Premier. What is this car? A. 1954 Mercury Monterey. B. 1953 Buick Skylark. C. 1957 Dodge Coronet. D. 1958 Oldsmobile 88. B. 1953 Buick Skylark. What is this car? A. 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. B. 1956 Ford Fairlane. C. 1955 Chrysler Windsor. D. 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. A. 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. What is this car? A. 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. B. 1958 Buick Limited. C. 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. D. 1955 Dodge Royal. C. 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. What is this car? A. 1955 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday Coupe. B. 1957 Plymouth Savoy. C. 1956 Ford Custom Line. D. 1953 Lincoln Capri. A. 1955 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday Coupe. Subscribe and